Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm your host today, and we're diving into 7 U.S. economic indicators that could influence Bitcoin and crypto sentiment this week. The markets are always on the lookout for updates on inflation, employment, and interest rates, and these indicators can have a significant impact on crypto prices. First up, let's take a look at the Consumer Confidence Report, which will be released on Tuesday. This index measures whether households are optimistic about financial conditions, and it often signals risk-on sentiment in the market. A strong reading above expectations could boost Bitcoin as investors embrace risk, but a miss below expectations might trigger profit-taking and dent confidence in the economy. Next, we have the Job Openings and Labor Turnover Survey, or JOLTS report, which tracks demand for jobs. A rebound above 7.6 million job openings could signal strong employment growth and boost Bitcoin sentiment, while a weak reading could spark concerns of economic softening. Now, let's talk about GDP, the broadest measure of economic activity. A strong GDP reading higher than Q4's 2.4% might reduce rate cut hopes and pressure speculative cryptos, while sluggish growth could spur expectations of monetary easing. We'll also be keeping an eye on the core PCE price index, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge. If this number comes in below 2.5%, it could signal cooling inflation and boost sentiment towards Bitcoin. However, a hotter-than-expected reading might tighten Fed policy expectations. Initial jobless claims, reported every Thursday, is another high-frequency indicator that can offer real-time labor market insights. A steady claims number below 222,000 could signal growing employment and risk-on sentiment, while higher claims above 222,000 might spark concerns of economic softening. Finally, we have the Non-Farm Payrolls Report, which will be released on Friday. This broad scope covers 80% of GDP-contributing workers and makes it a market mover. A strong NFP could drive bullish momentum, but a weak reading below expectations might trigger recession fears and push capital to Bitcoin as a hedge. Bitcoin prices are up by just 0.29% in the last 24 hours, trading at $94,154. What does this mean for your investments? Always remember to verify facts independently and consult with a professional before making any decisions based on this content. And that's all for today's Bitcoin Bulletin. Stay informed, stay ahead of the curve, and we'll see you in the next video.